Introducing Makita SJS II high-power angle grinders that combine high-amperage motors with less vibration. The angle grinders are powered by a 12-amp motor for demanding applications with a compact size and vibration-reducing features for increased comfort during extended use. Makita's exclusive SJS II breaks new ground with improved gear protection, reduced vibration, and extended grinder life. SJS II provides a leaf spring and cam gear drive mechanism that is engineered to reduce vibration for increased operator comfort during extended use. Both grinders are equipped with a 3-part electronic controller with constant speed control, soft start, and an electronic current limiter. What this means is continuous power, longer gear and motor life, and overload motor protection. There's also protection features built inside. Labyrinth Construction protects the motor with a complex set of channels, prohibiting dust and contamination from damaging the drive bearing. Zig-zag epoxy adds another degree of protection, applied to both sides of the armature coil for longer tool life.